Hello, my name is Kalpana Katti. I'm a distinguished professor in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at North Dakota State University, and we are so excited to be able to purchase and install a brand new instrument in our lab. And this instrument is a combination of atomic force microscope and a confocal microscope. That two separate companies work together to put this new instrumentation together for us, and we are very grateful to the North Dakota EPSCoR equipment grant in order to be able to purchase this. So what this instrument does is very unique. One aspect of it is a confocal microscope with which we can take photographs like this. What you're looking at is inside of a cancer tumor, which is composed of many different cells, and we are literally able to look inside the cell. The blues are the nuclei of the cell, and the red and the green are the different parts of what is called as the cytoskeleton of the cell. So we're able to look inside the tumor, which is the confocal microscope aspect. But integrated with that in our instrumentation, what we have is an AFM with cell adhesion. What that does is essentially we're going to be able to pull out cells from this tumor and be able to measure the force of adhesion between the cells. This will help us understand how the tumor is put together by the body. So essentially, how does this tumor grow? So we can understand the big problem of bone metastasis in prostate and breast cancer. This is a very novel new field. It's called as mechanobiology. It is truly at the interface of engineering, mechanics, and medicine. And it is just a very, very cool opportunity for all students, graduate, undergraduate, high school students, to be working on this complex problem that is at the interface of engineering and medicine. So I think it's a win-win for all of us.